Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamt of studying in a place consistently ranked as the happiest country in the world? Well, stop spinning the globe and focus on Finland, because that's exactly where we're going in this video. But before we dive in, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Don't worry, I won't be offended if you haven't. But why not? I mean, come on, this is gonna be epic, and you wouldn't want to miss a single step on your Finnish study adventure, would you? Alright, enough goofiness, let's get down to brass tacks. Moving to Finland in 2025 to study is totally achievable, and in this video we'll break it down into a step-by-step guide that's easier than mastering the art of the Finnish tango. First things first, you gotta find the right program for you. This is the foundation of your entire educational journey, so it's crucial to get it right. Think of it like picking the perfect smartphone. You're not gonna buy the first one you see, right? You'd want to compare different models, check out reviews, and maybe even test a few out. You gotta consider the specs, the features, and of course, the price. It's all about finding the best value for your needs and budget. The same goes for choosing your study program. You need to look at the curriculum, the faculty, and the opportunities for hands-on experience. What are you passionate about? What subjects make you excited to learn more? These are important questions to ask yourself. What do you want to specialize in? Think about your long-term career goals and how a particular program can help you achieve them. Finland has a ridiculously good higher education system, with top-notch universities and a wide range of programs in English. The quality of education here is recognized globally. A great place to start is the official Study in Finland website. It's a comprehensive resource that can guide you through the entire process. They've got this super sleek interface, kind of like unboxing a brand new phone, but instead of a phone, you're unwrapping your future. The excitement of discovering new opportunities is palpable. You can filter by subject, degree level, and even the city you want to live in. This makes it super easy to narrow down your options and find the perfect match. Speaking of cities, if you're into a vibrant tech scene and stunning architecture, check out universities in Helsinki. The city is a hub for innovation and creativity. Or maybe you're more of a winter person, someone who loves the northern lights and that cozy, snowy vibe. Finland's northern regions offer a unique and magical experience. Then maybe the University of Oulu up north is your jam. It's perfect for those who want to combine their studies with breathtaking natural beauty. And hey, if you're looking for a city with a strong student culture and a more affordable cost of living, Tampere is definitely worth a look. It's a vibrant city with a lot to offer. The key here is to do your research and find the perfect fit for you. Take your time, explore all your options, and make an informed decision. Your future self will thank you for it. Okay, so you found your dream program, and now it's time to tackle the application process. This can be a daunting task, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through it. Now I know what you're thinking. Applications, the worst. The endless forms, the repetitive information, and the constant feeling of dread. All those forms, deadlines, and waiting, it can be a real drag. The pressure of meeting deadlines and the anxiety of waiting for responses can be overwhelming. But hold up, because Finland has this really cool system that simplifies the whole process. Imagine a world where applying to universities is as easy as clicking a few buttons. It's called the Joint Application System, and it's a total game changer. This system streamlines everything, making it easier and more efficient for students. Basically, instead of filling out separate applications for each university, you can apply to multiple programs at different universities with just one application. How awesome is that? This not only saves time, but also reduces the stress associated with the application process. Think of it like having a universal charger for your phone, laptop, and headphones. One application to power up your academic future in Finland. It's a smart and efficient way to manage your applications. But before you get too excited and start spamming every program under the sun, remember quality over quantity, my friends. It's important to be strategic about where you apply. Choose your programs wisely, make sure they align with your goals, and craft each application with care. Research each program thoroughly to ensure it matches your career aspirations. It's like choosing the right apps for your phone. You don't want to overload it with a bunch of useless stuff. You want to be selective and choose apps that will be beneficial. You want apps that are actually going to enhance your experience, right? The same principle applies to your university applications. The same goes for your applications. Each one should be tailored to the specific program and highlight your skills and experiences that make you a perfect fit. Personalization is key. Each one should be tailored to the specific program and highlight your skills and experiences that make you a perfect fit. This attention to detail can make a significant difference. Trust me, taking the time to personalize each application will pay off in the long run. Your efforts will be rewarded with acceptance letters and the opportunity to pursue your dreams. Alright, let's talk about English proficiency. It's a crucial part of your journey to studying in Finland. Now, if you're coming from a country where English isn't the official language, you'll need to prove that you've got the language skills to succeed in a Finnish university. This is a standard requirement to ensure you can follow the coursework and participate fully in academic life. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. In fact, many students find it to be a rewarding challenge that helps them improve their language skills even further. Think of it like unlocking a new level in a game. You've got to show them what you've got. It's an opportunity to demonstrate your proficiency and readiness for the academic challenges ahead. Finland accepts a few different English proficiency tests, kind of like having different controllers to choose from for your gaming console. You've got the IELTS, the PTE Academic, and the TOEFL IBT. Each of these tests is recognized internationally and will be accepted by Finnish universities. Each test has its own format and scoring system, so it's like choosing between a PlayStation, Xbox, or a Nintendo Switch. It all comes down to personal preference and what you're most comfortable with. Some might find the IELTS more straightforward, while others might prefer the structure of the TOEFL. My advice? Do your research, check out sample questions, maybe even try a practice test to see which one feels right for you. There are plenty of resources available to help you prepare. And hey, if you need to brush up on your English skills, there are tons of great resources available online and offline. From language learning apps to English classes, the options are endless. Think of it like upgrading your gaming setup. You gotta invest in the right tools to level up your game. So take the time to prepare and you'll be ready to tackle your studies in Finland with confidence. Attention to detail can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Studying abroad can be expensive, but thankfully, Finland offers some sweet scholarship opportunities for international students. Think of it like finding a secret cheat code to unlock a whole new level of financial freedom. These scholarships can cover your tuition fees, living expenses, and even travel costs. It's like getting a free upgrade on your flight. Who wouldn't want that? There are scholarships offered by the Finnish government, universities, and even private organizations. It's like having different power-ups to choose from in a game, each one giving you a boost in a different way. But just like with any good cheat code, you gotta know where to find them. Check out the Study in Finland website, university websites, and online scholarship databases. And hey, don't be afraid to reach out to the university's International Student Office for guidance. They're like your trusty sidekicks, always there to help you navigate the world of scholarships and financial aid. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, the application fee. Yes, unfortunately, there is a €100 application fee for most Finnish universities. I know, it's like paying for an app that you're not sure you're going to use yet. But think of it this way, that €100 is an investment in your future. It's like buying a new case for your phone. It might seem like an extra expense, but it's protecting your valuable investment. And, honestly, compared to other countries, €100 is a pretty reasonable fee. It's like getting a premium subscription at a discounted price. You're getting access to a world-class education and an incredible life experience. So, factor that fee into your budget, and trust me, it'll be worth every penny. Last but not least, let's talk about support systems. Moving to a new country can be daunting, kind of like starting a new game with no walkthrough or cheats. But don't worry, Finland's got your back. Finnish universities have incredible support systems for international students. It's like having a built-in cheat code for navigating life in a new country. They offer help with finding accommodation, integrating into Finnish society, and even daycare with Finnish and Swedish language support. Talk about a level up for parents. They organize orientation programs, social events, and buddy programs where you can connect with other international and local students. It's like joining a guild in an online game. You've got a whole team of people to support you, guide you, and make you feel right at home. So don't be afraid to reach out, ask questions, and make the most of these resources. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. So, there you have it, your step-by-step guide to moving and studying in Finland in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this coming your way. In fact, I have something super exciting coming up next week, so stay tuned. And hey, if you're feeling generous and want to support my channel so I can keep creating epic content like this, well, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.